Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the camera and opening the app. This begins the pairing handshake. Once the device is powered and the app is logged in, make sure to choose the correct SSID and enter the password exactly. If your monitor needs a factory reset, do it now so it broadcasts its setup network. You're doing this because the monitor must join a known network and the app needs credentials to complete secure onboarding, so don't skip these initial steps. Now you'll follow the app's pairing routine to tell the camera which Wi-Fi to join. Choose the device in the app, scan the camera's QR code or type the PIN, and then select your home network. Make sure to pick 4 GHz if the device lists that requirement, because many monitors lack 5 GHz support. Allow the app to use Bluetooth or location when prompted so it can discover the camera faster. Once done, the app sends credentials to the finish by checking the live feed, audio and motion alerts in the app to confirm a stable connection. If video stutters, move the monitor closer to the router or add a mesh node to improve signal. Make sure to install firmware updates and change default credentials for security. If the monitor fails to join after 2 attempts, perform a factory reset, restart your router, and retry the pairing flow. This clears temporary errors and forces a fresh network handshake, resolving most stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.